Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Tanner. Today we are going to be going over the new WyzeLock unboxing and installation. It's a great little lock to add smart home features to pretty much any lock, and I've been really impressed with it so far. Let's dig in. Oh yeah! The WyzeLock is a motorized smart lock that replaces the interior of your lock with a motorized latch. This leaves the outer portion of your lock unchanged, so your existing keys will still work to unlock the door after installation. Once the lock is installed, the app is super easy to use and you'll be able to control the lock remotely and set up features such as automatic lock and unlock and audio warnings when you accidentally leave the door open or partially ajar. The $90 price point at the time of recording also makes this an easy product to recommend for people that just want to start into the smart home market without necessarily breaking the bank with buying some of the more expensive locks that you can find on the market today.
Oh, Jesus! Oh.
While installation varies from lock to lock, I will say that the app provided very clear instructions and I had no issues installing the lock. The general overview of the installation is to remove the back of your old lock, install the new backplate, find the correct adapter for your lock type, and then mount the new housing. You also need to make sure that your deadbolt is properly aligned before installation to ensure smooth operation of the lock. Kapow, kapow, chicka-cha, chicka-cha. It's also worth noting that you will need to plug the provided gateway device into an electric outlet somewhere near the lock. This acts like the bridge between your lock and your Wi-Fi. After you install the lock and plug it in the gateway, it's a simple matter of following the instructions the app provides to calibrate the lock so that it can detect when your door is left open. As soon as that's finished, you'll be ready to ditch the keys and enjoy your now smarter lock.
What do we think? Huh? What do we think? I think the lighting's terrible back here. I think the lighting's terrible back here. That's what I think. That's what I think. Yeah. Huh.
Thank you for watching. This has been my installation video of the new WyzeLock. I'm going to be doing a more extensive review later on after I've had some time with the lock, but I just wanted to put this out there to kind of show you the overview of how you install this lock and some of the functionality it gives you. I'm going to be doing more videos like this in the future. I'm going to be bringing you along as I do stuff like computer repairs, smart home tech, security cameras, pretty much everything and anything to do with technology. Again, my name is Tanner, and thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what I can do better. Let me know what you think of the new WyzeLock.